Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy. Ayy, you ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocket don't care how you been things. Liquidity sweet, then reversal brings things. While you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Charts print truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings, but do you have an air fryer? I might pretty soon, maybe in a month or two. We'll see. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. A bingo and a bango. I said bingo, bango. I said it. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for being here. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade without the tuition. That's right, guys. We show you for free. There's a concept, showing you how to trade for free. And then if you like what you see and you want the updates on the coins and the charts and the setups and all that fun stuff, then you join the VIP group. But do you need to join the VIP to learn? Nope. You learn here every single night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We show you how to successfully trade. Do we lose? Sure, of course. Do we win? Yes, that's the most important part. Do we win more than we lose? Yeah. But there are losses, guys. And that's part of trading. You have to learn from the losses. And, you know, it could be the market. It could be the stop loss was too tight. It could be, you know, several different reasons. Maybe you entered a little bit earlier, an aggressive entry, and you're getting stopped out too many times, well, guess what? Don't do an aggressive entry next time. Do a safer one. Me, I like aggressive. I like aggressive. All right, there we go. Let's get started, guys. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best. We're gonna look at Bitcoin. We're gonna look at the crypto bubbles. We're gonna look at the liquidity heat map. We're gonna look at the potential next move for Bitcoin. And hopefully it plays out the way I think it might play out. We'll see. And then, of course, we will check out your coins, your questions. If you're new to crypto, if you're new to trading, if you have questions about strategies, indicators, how to pull the fib the correct way, then ask. There are no dumb questions. There's either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. There are no dumb questions. Matter of fact, if we don't get questions, we go to story time. I got a lot of stories, guys. But this is your 1 hour of free mentorship. So please, please use it. All right, let's go to the chat. We got Duality C is my favorite. Now, Stregahart has been killing it as far as being first. He holds like the record, and he just ended the streak because Duality C is now my favorite. Thank you, Duality C. Thank you very much. He smashed the like button. And of course, for those that aren't subscribed, make sure to consider subscribing. We show you how to trade without trying to get rich off of you. You know, we're not, join me and I'll show you how to trade. No, join me on the live streams and I'll show you how to trade. You don't need to join my group. Now, that's horrible business, but it's true though. You know, if you like what I do, if you want to help continue the journey that I'm on about helping others and you have money, then join the group. But if you don't have money, don't worry. You can learn here every day. We got Duality C in the house. We got Stregahart. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you being here. And we're on the stepper. So tempting. I was just on CCM's channel, Crypto Coin Mindset. Crypto Coin Mindset's channel. And we're doing crypto on the rocks, which is basically just a bunch of guys and gals sitting around the campfire, pretty much, talking about everything under the sun. And so I was over there. I was sitting down on the trading computer, and I was like, man, maybe I should just do a sit down stream. But the other day, I did a sit down. So I don't want to do 2 in a row or 2 in a week. I need to get my steps in, guys. Need to get my steps in. Not only that, but I ate some butter pecan ice cream. Yummy. Now, some people think I'm doing the stepper to lose weight. I'm doing the stepper not to gain weight. So losing weight, that's not my goal now. As a side effect, I'm losing a little bit, but my goal is not to gain more weight. And so far, it's working, not gaining weight. Let's see here. I am eating a lot more junk food though, which is not good. Shuby in the house. Shuby saying a CCM raid. Let's go. Crypto Coin Mindset. The man, the myth, the legend. What's going on, man? I love being on your show. Of course, you know, everybody's there. Appreciate you greatly for that. Jay Violet in the house. Thank you guys for smashing the like. We're going to look at the crypto bubbles and everything else. JR. This dude's a beast. Trading beast. Always going to trade. Whether it's up or down, doesn't matter. He's making money. I was going to say both ways, but like he trades so good. It's like always up, down, sideways, left, right. Like it doesn't even matter. Backwards. Like this guy is good. Let's see here. Magnets. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So let's look at the crypto bubbles. On the daily, we have River down 10.2. Stable down. Siren is up. This one is moving a lot up and down. So just be very careful with this, because you might say, oh man, I'm going to go for a short, and you short it and then it reverses on you and it jumps 30% and you get wrecked. So just be very careful. We got Pi. That's a funny coin. It's up 8.4% on the day. What about the hourly? Oh, does this mean Bitcoin maybe was going down, but is now starting to go up? Possible. We're going to check that in just a moment. Let us look at the fear and greed index. We're looking at this the other day at 11. Today, we're at a whopping 12. We're up 1 point. Boring. Liquidation heat map. We're going to refresh the page for good luck. Look at the 24-hour time frame. We're also going to reduce the liquidity threshold to 0.5 thanks to our good buddy Al in JR's Discord. See if we can get it to 0.5. Perfect. We have really nice areas of liquidation to the top side. And it looks like potentially we might be going in that direction. We won't know until we break a level. And when I say level, it's basically a pivot. What is a pivot? When price goes up, it stops, changes direction, and goes the other way. That reversal is called a pivot. So once it breaks that level or pivot, then we're closer to 26.99 million and then 27.97 million. Nice area to make the market makers some money. Everybody who is shorting, you know, as it's going up and down, up and down, up and down, all these people are shorting, putting their stop losses here, a little bit, you know, more cushion, you know, further away from these other areas of stop losses. And it looks like they may get hit. Now, it doesn't mean that we will go there because the price could come down, break this level, to come down and break this level, maybe even tap all the way down here at 69,077 to get all these millions of dollars. So this is why we trade level by level. The price cannot, it's impossible, cannot come down here until first breaking this level. Then breaking this level, once again, just because it breaks a level does not mean it's definitely going here. It just means it broke it and it's getting closer. So that's what I got on that. Let's see here. Crypto coin mindset. Yeah, buddy. With the storybook, let's go. Story time. Look at the 12-hour time frame. Just kind of zoomed in on the 12-hour. We can see we have nice little liquidations here, but these liquidations are starting to build up. And what does this mean? This means that people are starting to get bullish or continuing to be bullish, whether they were here entering longs, or maybe because we went up, we pulled back, and now we're starting to maybe go up. They're starting to put their stop losses down here or adding to their stop losses. Let us look at the 3-day. On the 3-day time frame, what do we see? We see really nice block right here. This is good. And a really nice block down here. This is good too. This means that there's more traders trading and having stop losses and targets. So this is, to me, this is a good sign. When I don't see yellow blocks or zones, especially in the bigger time frames, it's like, where's everybody at? You know, there's traders, but the amount of liquidations isn't too high. Why do I want to see high areas of liquidation? Well, the market makers make money when liquidations get hit. So it's in the best interest for the market makers to help push the price in a direction, whether it's up or down. So that's good for traders. Here, again, this on the weekly right here. And I've been saying this for, I don't know how long. I'm really surprised we don't have a big block of yellow right around this area. About 72.5 to maybe 72. Really surprised. Not only that, but I'm really surprised that this area of, so what I would like to see is a yellow, maybe all right in this area, 69-ish area, a nice little block of yellow, and then a big block down here around 68.5, a real big block. And what that will tell me is that a lot of people are starting to enter longs now because they have their stop losses down here. or orders for the price to potentially come down, hit this, and then it'll open their orders to potentially come up. So I'm really surprised that I don't see that, and I would really like to see that here. Same thing here. Lots of liquidations. I would like to see a big yellow box here, and also here about 73-ish area, because this is, you know, an impulsive move where it just went down. There's no ups and downs like this. We have up, down, up, down, up, down. We just have down. So this right here is what's known as a fair value gap or a low volume node, which just means a little bit of volume. All this up, down, up, down, up, down, that's volume. That's people buying and selling. Here, boom, sell. So this would be a nice area for the price to go to. Doesn't mean that it will. At some point it might, if we go up. The likelihood of us going up is there. Doesn't mean that it will happen. All right, so let us look at how Bitcoin. What do we think yesterday and what's going on today? Oh, let's zoom out of this. Who's here, guys? Who is here? Nobody's here. Holy smokes. I'm talking to myself. All right. So last night, oh no, 2 nights ago, when was this? The 19th? Oh, this was last night. So last night we were here. I'm thinking that we're going to come up to about here to come down. And so it's always, you know, what are we going to do? Are we going to come down? And the main thing to get from these half tools is, are we going to break the high or are we going to break the low? And that's what I'm showing here. From here, coming up to about here, and we did. We came down, we bounced off of this zone that we've identified. We can see that on a smaller time frame. We came up, it's looking good. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, just so we can examine what already happened based off of our thought process of what might happen. Then we were looking at it here, and I'm thinking we're gonna pull back to about here, and look where we pulled back to, guys. See that? We were here. I didn't think we were going to continue going up. Could we have? Sure. But I'm thinking we're going to pull back to about here. And we did. Boom. To go up and break this. And we did. Now, if we rolled over and we came back into this little zone, I'm thinking we'd get rejected over the zone, break down below this level. If that's the case, more than likely we'll be taking this. And when I say taking this, it's just, you know, coming for this liquidity. Everybody's got stop losses who entered here. They have their stop losses here. Same thing, people who entered on this pullback, they have their stop losses here. That if we were to roll over, this is the thought process. Again, we're not predicting what will happen. We're showing you what has a higher probability of possibly happening. Sure enough, we pulled back, we came up, pulled back again, coming up, nice, very nice, healthy moves. Then when we broke the 382 level, if you do a fib retracement, let's go ahead and do it for funsies. So we go from the low to the high, and let's zoom in on all this. If we would have come down here to the 382, this would have been a nice area for the continuation of this momentum. And what I do is I trade momentum. I trade the strength of the move. Wow. That's going to be the show, guys. That's the show. Yeah. All right, guys. Y'all have a good night. We will see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And that's it for me. Take care. See ya. Joe, what happened to your stepper? Oh, I'll be doing my stepper. I'll be doing some trades. We'll see you guys later on. Take care.